Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to answer your questions. So I'm answering the comments I'm getting. So somebody asked me how I can make my desire believable. Your desires, your desires, your personal goals, profession goals. So we're trying to build a business here. Business can be your personal goals, profession goals. Desires are goals, something you want, something you really want from inside out. So everybody's desires different. So that does not really matter. As long as you have the desire, something you want as your personal goals, profession goals, and then you have to ask the question, um, are you worthy of that desire? Whatever you want, personal goals, profession goals, you have to ask that question. Are you worthy of that desire? Desire means any goal, something you want, something you really want. Are you worthy of it? If you're not feeling worthy of that desire, whatever your goals are, something you want, then you're not going to achieve it because you're not believing it. So that whatever your beliefs you're holding for that desire, according to that, you're going to get that, whatever you're trying to get or have or create. So if you're not feeling that worthy of that desire, and how we can make a desire desirable, how we can make that, that's what I want, this is what I'm going to get it. If you don't feel worthy of that desire, and how we can make that worthy of that desire stronger. So let me introduce myself, my mentors, and then we're going to start talking about how we can make things desirable. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm consultant of thinking into result. My mentors are Bob Proctor and Sandy Gallagher. If you don't know Bob Proctor, he was in the Secret movie. Secret movie is all about law of attraction. And if you haven't watched it, you must watch it. It's on the YouTube, it's free, and it's all about law of attraction, and you will learn most out of that movie about law of attraction. It's really good movie. So my mentor is in that movie, Bob Proctor. And Bob Proctor taught this information more than 60 years. Same information what I'm sharing with you. And he taught this information the airlines and the insurance companies or the CEO, or if you just staying home just like me. This information works for every each person as long as you have the goals. I'm not talking about any goals. I'm talking about the goal you really want, the goals you really desire, something they are coming from inside out, not from outside in, something you really want as your desire. So this is what we're going to talk about today. So what is a desire? And desire is something we are meant to do. Is because each human being born to do something, to have something, create something. And desire is something you meant to do. So for me, I wanted to do something as a purpose, but I kept improving myself. I kept moving myself forward. Then finally, I found something. This is what I meant to do, working with the laws, and your own mind as a self-development. And this is what I love doing. This is what I'll be doing all my life. This is what I meant to do because I'm aware of that. This is what I meant to do. So if you are still desiring something, that means you really want something, and but you don't know how to make that desire believable. First, you have to know what do you really want. If you still don't know what do you really want, I would suggest you to do the thing, something you love, and spend some time, and something makes you happy, something inspires you, something you always wanted to do, and spend time every day. And if you know something what you want, then you have to ask question, are you worthy of that desire? Whatever your desire is, it might be personal goals or profession goals. You have to ask question, what are the desired as your goals? Are you worthy of it? If you think and feel emotionally you're not worthy of it, you're not going to achieve it. You're not going to get it. Doesn't matter how much you're going to study. Doesn't matter how much you're going to gather the information. Is nothing going to happen. This is how the mind works according to the laws. Now, you want something and you're not believing it. You have to ask question. Are you believing what you want? If you're not believing it, how you can make that desire stronger? First, you have to know what do you want. Write it down on the goal card. You have to have a goal card with the date. Write it down. This is what you want as your desired goals. And then opposite that desire, what do you really want? And you have to write down the affirmation. If it's negative, out of the negative, whatever you want, you have to write down positive as an affirmation. And then you have to take that affirmation to make it believable. Believable going to happen consciously and subconsciously. You have to know what you want, and then you have to create the affirmation. I'm so happy and grateful now that I just going to give you an example. Everybody goals are different. I don't know what is your goals or what is your desire. Say if you're feeling whatever your desire is as your goal, if you're feeling lack, then opposite is abundance. Okay, so your affirmation going to start with I am so happy and grateful now that I am living in an abundance universe world. It's just an example. Okay, so if you believe are not alignment with your desire, is not going to happen, then you have to make it believe in yourself, and to make the affirmation, to make the desirable that goals in positive according to the laws. And you have to create an affirmation. I am so happy and grateful now that I am living in an abundance universe world, not in the past, not in the future, is already happening. You have to make yourself to believe that. To believe that there is a process again, you have to impress it. You have to know it consciously, then you have to impress it in subconsciously. And that is a process. And I'm going to suggest you to do that. Take that affirmation. I'm so happy and grateful now that I am living in an abundance universe world. You look at yourself in the mirror. Tell yourself you are worthy of it. Whatever you desire, feel desirable, whatever you want as a desire, you are worthy of it. And read and repeat that affirmation. I'm so happy and grateful now that in a present tense is happening right now. Looking at your eyes in the mirror, tell yourself to make it believe it, because everything whatever we believe, and that's what we attract. According to that, we attract everything. And and repeat it in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening before you sleep, and see what happens. Try it for 40 days. Then your subconscious going to start to feel it and going to believe it. And this is a way you can make yourself believable, that desire. Once you impress it in the subconscious mind, that's what you're going to attract it. This is the only way to make it believable. If you're going to say, I know it consciously, this is what I want, that is not enough. It's more than that, as I said, until you're going to start to believe it and you're going to feel emotionally, okay, this is what I am now. You have to make it, believe it emotionally. Until your emotions are not changed, nothing going to change. Because we are not just physical being, we are more than physical being, we are spirit being. Spirit is always wanted to expand and wanted to grow. So once you start to believe it, and once you start to make yourself believable with the formation, with the repetition, and looking it in the mirror, telling yourself, I'm worthy and I deserve that, and I definitely going to achieve that. You have to really make yourself the believable. You are ready, whatever you are trying to desire. So once you do that, change your vibration according to that belief, you're definitely going to get it, because it's a law. Whatever we impress it in the subconscious mind, that's what we achieve. That's what we attract. And so whatever is in your subconscious mind, that belief you're holding, that's what you're going to attract. This is the reason you have to really believe it in your subconscious mind, and you're going to attract it. So this is a way to make yourself believe as your desire, to make it believable in your subconscious mind consciously, and then subconsciously you have to impress it, repeat it with the repetition, and looking in the mirror, telling yourself, I am worthy of whatever you desire. Make you look in the mirror and tell yourself you are achieving this, whatever you're trying to achieve. Make yourself believable. You are what you are desire. Make yourself in the present tense. That's what you are right now. And start feeling emotionally that whatever you're trying to make yourself believable. And definitely you're going to achieve it. Try it for 40 days, looking in the mirror, and tell yourself every single day, and make yourself happy, make yourself in that vibration. You definitely, that's what you are. Start to make yourself believable. And believable means try to believe it, even though it's not, you feel you're not worthy, even you feel your circumstances are not according to what you want. Shift it, change it. This is the way to do it. This is a way to move forward to in that vibration. So you can do that. Okay, so try to believe it and affirm it, repeat it again and again with emotion. Without emotion, nothing going to happen. Until your emotions are not changed, nothing going to happen. Emotion is the most important to believe in that level. So you have to really believe it in the emotional level. Emotionally, you must feel it. This is what you are right now. And keep doing that every single day. Definitely, whatever's in the subconscious mind, that's what we attract, law of vibration. So thank you for leaving your comments. And this comment, what you have left, is going to help others also. This is the reason I already ask, leave your comments. And your comments, and I am talking about, is going to help others also. So this is a way, this is the reason I always ask, please like, subscribe, and like the YouTube, and leave your comments. Comments going to help others. Thank you for sharing your comments, and hopefully you're going to work on your desire as your goals. You're going to make it, believe it as your beliefs. Once your beliefs are changed, your emotions are changed, definitely you're going to attract. Try it for 40 days every single day, and definitely things going to start to, you're going to see the change. And the next time I will talk about, there's another question. Definitely I will make the YouTube soon as possible. Thank you for leaving your comments. Please leave your comments. I'm going to ask that again. And subscribe, and if you like the YouTube, give a thumbs up. And if you do need a further help, send me the message. I can book you online, and definitely I can help you. Don't hesitate. I'm going to charge you. We don't do that. And it's going to be free. And then I can help you with your personal goals, profession goals. If you have further questions around something around personal goals or profession goals, I can help you with that also. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and thinking to result can help you to achieve your goals. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day, and keeps working on yourself. Things definitely, once you change, things are changing. So this is how the laws works. This is how the mind works. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.